To Nagpur's news capsule. I am Anjaya Anparthi from the Times of India newspaper. Many times allegations have been made against two private garbage operators, BVG India and AG Environment, that these two operators mix construction and demolition waste along with garbage, which causes pollution as well as financial loss to the Nagpur Municipal Corporation. Still, the same has been continued, and the latest allegations have been leveled by Shiv Sena activist Nitin Tiwari. I will show you construction and demolition waste being dumped at the garbage site. One can see clearly it is construction and demolition waste. A crane is filling the garbage into a tipper, and you can see also construction and demolition waste at that site. Another major violation is that this is garbage transfer station developed by AG Enviro in association with Nagpur Municipal Corporation at Sahakar Nagar. These small vehicles which collects waste from households are supposed to directly load the garbage into compactors, but you can see garbage has been dumped from the small vehicles at this spot. A rag picker without any scarf on his face is collecting plastic and other waste material from this spot. Foul smell to a great extent is emanating here. It is an inhuman sin out here. Thank you.